以下係衛生署嘅呼籲，由於海外有香港瘟病爆發，如果你喺過去21日內曾到訪過剛果民主共和國或安達，請通知衛生署工作人員。This is a message from the Department of Health in response to the epidemic of Ebola disease overseas. If you have visited the Democratic Republic of the Congo or Uganda in the past 21 days, please report to the staff of the Department of Health. 以下是卫生署的呼吁：由于海外有埃博拉病爆发，如果您在过去21天内曾到访过刚果民主共和国或乌干达，请通知卫生署工作人员。
以下係食物環境衞生署食物安全中心嘅呼籲：勿攜帶生嘅野味、肉類、家禽或蛋入境香港，必須持有健康嘅衞生證明書。食環署簽發嘅進口准許或進口許可證，否則即屬違法。以任何方式包裝嘅生肉，包括真空、錫紙包裝，均受法例規管。違例者會被檢控，一經定罪，可被罰款港幣5萬元及監禁6個月。
以下是食物环境卫生署食物安全中心的呼吁：凡携带生的野味、肉类、家禽或蛋类入境香港，必须持有认可的卫生证明书、食环署签发的进口准许或进口许可证，否则即属违法。以任何方式包装的生肉，包括真空及铝合品包装，也受法律规管。违例者可被检控，一经定罪，可被罚款港币5万元和监禁6个月。
The following is an appeal from the Center for Food Safety of the Food and Environmental Hygiene Department. It is an offence to bring raw game, meat, poultry, or eggs into Hong Kong without a recognised health certificate or an import permission or import licence granted by the Food and Environmental Hygiene Department. Raw meat packaged in any way, including vacuum sealing and aluminium foil packaging, is also regulated by the laws. Offenders will be prosecuted and shall be liable to a fine of 50,000 Hong Kong dollars and imprisonment for 6 months upon conviction.
自2025年9月19日起，应课税品条例下有代价的，就会有向有关人员作出申报罪行，不予检控的罚则，提高至5000元。客如携带超越货品数量的应课税品入境，
Hello, so everyone. Hi, it's Mukin. We're gonna try out this Mukin.
Effective from 19th of September 2025. The penalty for offences of failing to declare to customs officers compoundable under the Duty-Able Commodities Ordinance increases to $5,000. Passengers bringing in dutiable goods in excess of the accepted quantities should enter the right channel and make a declaration to the customs officers.
guys, don't forget to like, please. Hit the like, please. Give a thumbs up.
This is an announcement by the Hong Kong Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department. If you carry rare endangered animals and plants or their products, such as orchids, American ginseng, dried seahorses, and shark fins of scheduled shark species material out of Hong Kong without a valid license, you will be liable to prosecution and a maximum fine of 10 million Hong Kong dollars and 10 years imprisonment. Also, the import and export of such specimens, such as ivory, is prohibited. Please check Hong Kong Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department for importing or exporting endangered species.
Alice Showdown.
帶埋係毒品。2023年2月1日起，帶埋一份即係 CBD，都要按照法例被列為毒品。未經許可喺香港擁有或買賣 CBD 產品，即屬違法。大家千祈唔好讓外地帶入 CBD 產品返香港。販運或售賣 CBD 產品，最高刑罰係罰款500萬元，終身監禁。想跟住 CBD 文了解更多。CBD 唔啱我，一齊傾下，聽嘢。
Society channel if you want.
未经许可在香港管有或买卖 CBD 产品均属违法。大家也千万别从外地携带任何 CBD 产品回香港。贩运或售卖 CBD 产品，最高刑罚是8.5万元和终身监禁。详情请浏览禁毒处 CBD 网页。CBD 不合法，一起停住，不吸毒。Cannabis is a dangerous drug. From February 1st, 2023, cannabis is also a dangerous drug under the law. It is illegal to possess or trade CBD products in Hong Kong without permission. Also, to bring any CBD products into Hong Kong from abroad, trafficking or sales of CBD products will be subject to a maximum fine of $5 million and life imprisonment. Visit the Narcotics Division's webpage on CBD for details. CBD, not for me. Let's stand firm. No drugs out. 以下係衛生署嘅呼籲，由於海外有安博威病爆發，如果你喺過去21日內曾到訪過剛果民主共和國或烏干達，請通知衛生署工作人員。This is a message from the Department of Health in response to the epidemic of Ebola disease overseas. If you have visited the Democratic Republic of the Congo or Uganda in the past 21 days, please report to the staff of the Department of Health. 以下是卫生署的呼吁：由于海外有埃博拉病爆发，如果您在过去21天内曾到访过刚果民主共和国或乌干达，请通知卫生署工作人员。
以下係食物環境衞生署食物安全中心嘅呼籲：凡攜帶生嘅野味、肉類、單抗冷或冷凍嘅物必須持有認可嘅衞生證明書。食環署簽發嘅進口准許或進口證明，否則即屬違法。以任何方式包裝嘅生肉，包括真空、錫紙包裝，均受法例規管。違例者會被檢控，一經定罪，可被罰款港幣5萬元及監禁6個月。
以下是食物环境卫生署食物安全中心的呼吁：发现在生的野味、肉类、家禽或蛋类入境香港，必须持有认可的卫生证明书，是该署签发的